Hi, welcome to this new Top 10 video. This is an amazing list of
coffee makers.
After watching, if you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more Top 10 videos. Also, turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Perfectem 14-cup automatic programmable coffee maker. It's beautifully designed. It has a housing of stainless steel and accented buttons. It has some great coffee technology that we use to make hotter coffee and lots of great features. First, you'll notice it says Caraf temp, and when you press this button, you have options of low, medium, and high Caraf temperature. And that's adjustable. And why would you want to use that? It's because if you're someone who puts a lot of milk in your coffee, you'd want to set this on high. But if you don't put any additives in your coffee, you take it black and you want it a little bit cooler so you can drink it right away, you can use medium or low. The other thing you'll notice, which I'm going to do right now, by using the water window as a guide, I put enough coffee in here to make 6 cups. So I'm just going to pour this in. And I can actually see the water window from the inside. So I'll stop pouring when I get up to 6. And then the other thing that's nice about this too is it has a programmable function which allows you to program the coffee maker to go off in any 24-hour period. It also has an auto off feature. In a hurry in the morning and you don't want to worry about turning your coffee maker off before you actually leave for work, you can set it to go off after 0 minutes to 4 hours. So then you don't have to be concerned yourself with it. The other thing I mentioned is it's actually has a brew pause feature. And the nice thing about that is that when the coffee starts brewing, after you have a cup or so in there and you don't have the patience to wait for the pot to be fully brewed, you can remove this and pour your coffee. It's just starting to get brewing now. So there you have it, the Cuisinart 14-cup Perfectem coffee maker.
If you're experiencing inconsistent brews, there may be coffee grounds stuck in your brewer's entrance and exit needles. In this video, we'll walk you through how to properly clean your brewer's needles as well as the K-cup pot holder. The process is the same for all Keurig brewers and includes 7 easy steps that should take about 10 minutes to complete. Here's what you'll need: a large ceramic mug, a clean metal paper clip, and access to the sink. Your brewer should be turned off and unplugged. The needles are sharp, so please be careful when performing the following steps. Start by removing the pod holder from the brewer. Lift the handle. Grasp the top of the pod holder with one hand while pushing up on the bottom of the pod holder from underneath with your other hand until it releases. Remove the funnel from the pod holder by pulling on the sides until it detaches. Next, locate the tube on the underside of the pod holder. Straighten one side of your metal paper clip and insert it into the tube, moving it around to loosen any clogging and remove any particles. Since we have the pod already taken apart, it's a good time to give it a cleaning. Both the pod holder and funnel should be rinsed under running water, washing thoroughly to loosen and remove any particles. You're also cleaning the exit needle, which is sharp, so be mindful of your fingers. Once complete, you can set the pod holder and funnel aside. Now, let's clean the entrance needle. Lift the brewer handle and locate the entrance needle under the brewer head. Look closely, entrance needle. Lift the brewer side holes of the entrance needle and gently move the paper clip around to loosen and remove any particles. Then, sand your hands from the area. Now we can put the pod holder back in chance to click the funnel back into the pod holder by aligning the side slots. Then align the opening of your brewer, placing the 2 front tabs on the bottom and the single with the other hand. Place a mug on the drip tray. Lift and lower the handle to the largest cup size. Do not insert a K-cup pod for this step. That's it! Your needles are now clean and you're ready to brew. The K-Classic Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K-Classic Brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K-Classic Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite in under a minute. Even more brewing between refills. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew. Using the K-Classic Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorites to enjoy a perfect brew every time.